is the one that never felt. You speak like you're drifting away, but you stay like you still need me here. Every glance that you try to escape only makes everything more clear. We say it's just something light, nothing we have to hold, but almost cuts deeper now than a love we never told. We were almost stars, almost real, close enough to touch and feel, almost ours, then slipped away, scared of love, we couldn't stay. You say we're out of time again, like the world won't let us be. But every time you're close to me, it feels like where I'm meant to be. Every night's a stolen dream, like we're crossing every line. If this is wrong, then tell me why it feels so